So this is euro dollar analysis for Monday, the 30th of April. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we had prices break down from this 21.78. Didn't find support at 21.50. We've had prices trade below this 20.92, from which all the way down towards that 20.50, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum taking us back up above the 121 level. Almost came for a test of the 21.50, from which we are now seeing that sell side momentum return to the market, and we don't appear to be holding 20.92 at the moment. So if we do see the sell side momentum continuation here to the downside, we'll be then looking for prices head down towards the 20.30 level, the very next major level marked out here in red. Successful break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 19.61. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside beyond 19.61, we could be looking at prices head down towards that 19.10 here on the euro dollar. Now, we've gone on a pretty strong sell-off run here. So if we do hold support at the 20.92, which isn't very far away, we just trade slightly below the 20.92. If we do hold support at 20.92, again, we'll be looking for a move back up towards that 21.50. And if we do break from 21.50, 21.78, and 22.23 will be the very next levels that we are looking at here to the upside. In around the 22.23, we've also got the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from the 22.23 level. Now, we'll briefly have a look at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing here on the euro dollar. As you can see here on the monthly chart here on the euro dollar, we formed our base. We've had a strong run to the upside, brief pullback. We've run in towards the 200 period moving average here on the monthly chart, along with the 125 level. We did appear to be putting in bull flag, but we are seeing that sell side momentum continuation to the downside here. We still appear bullish, but there is a possibility of seeing a deeper retracement on the euro dollar before seeing the upwards momentum continuation here. We'll have a brief look here at the weekly chart, and as we can see on the weekly chart, we had a series of higher lows, had a brief pullback, break to the upside, running towards a 400 period moving average here. We were forming a bit of a flag, and I was expecting a break to the upside, but we do appear to be breaking down from this flag. We closed beneath these lows just here, and we do appear to be having a bit of a follow through at present. So we'll look to see if we do see that sell side momentum, whether we do see a deeper retracement, possibly putting in a head and shoulders and seeing sell side momentum come into the market, but the market has a long way to go before potentially putting in a head and shoulders pattern and seeing a deeper retracement. But for now, we do appear poised for just some sell side momentum continuation here before possibly another retest of that 400 period moving average and the 125 level. And again, we'll have a look at the daily charts, and as you can see here, we are breaking out of the trading range that we were in on the euro dollar here. We had our highs there, slightly lower highs within the range, slightly lower highs still within the range, and we've broken out to the downside of that range, breaking almost, spare me a sec, breaking this low here, which was the low of the range, and we've seen a bit of follow through at present. So we're in around a key level of that 20.92, so we'll look to see if we do break back above and back into the range, or whether we'll just see that further sell side momentum. Now, if we do see the sell side momentum continuation, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average just here on the daily chart, from which we could see bullish buy side momentum return to the market. And with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.